Let me show you how you can use Windsurf for free or get Windsurf Pro at a discounted rate. When we open up Windsurf, we're met with the Cascade tab. If it's not already open, you can open it by going in the upper right and clicking on Open Cascade. This is a chat window where we can chat with whatever model that we have chosen. To switch to model, we need to click on the model button down here, and then we can select a different model that we want to use. Now you'll notice here on the right that there's a certain cost for each model in order to use them. So like Claude 3.7 Sonnet costs 1 credit. If you're on the free plan, you only get 25 prompt credits per month. So you can see we can only use Claude 3.7 25 times before we use up all of our credits. Now among this list, we only have Cascade Base as being free, but there are plenty other models that we can use that aren't just Cascade Base. And the reason that it's only showing this one is because we have the category selection to recommended. If we click on this recommended and go to cost, we can now see that we have the premium models up here that all cost 1 or 1.25 credits. And then we have the value ones, which are like GPT 4.1 that cost 0.25 credits. And then down here, we have all of our free models. We could use DeepSeek V3 or DeepSeek R1. What's nice is when you first sign up, you actually get a 2-week pro trial, but with limitations. Instead of the 500 prompt credits per month, we're actually only getting 100 that we can use for the month. Also, since it is a trial, once it's finished, you'll drop back down to that 25 credits per month. Now, Windsurf Pro costs $15 per month, and you can add on more credits for $10 for 250 credits. But I'm going to show you a way that you can get it at a discounted rate. If you're a student and you have a .edu email, you can register for an account and you get over 50% off on a pro subscription. Instead of it costing $15 per month, it only costs you $6.90. Now you may be tempted to make multiple free trial accounts and think that you could just keep getting these 2-week pro trials. But Windsurf thought about this, and you can only use so many free trial accounts on a single user on a computer. However, every user on your computer can create their own account and use it inside of Windsurf. Also, unfortunately, as of right now, there's no way to use your own local LLM to essentially make it free to use Windsurf. I think that they are working on this feature, but right now we can only stick with the 3 free models that they have for us here, the Cascade Base, DeepSeek V3, and DeepSeek R1. And with that, that is how you can use Windsurf for free or get a discounted rate for a pro subscription.